Hey everyone, I'm here to help you with lesson number 5. Today's date is 4/22/20 or April 22nd, 2020. I'm going to help you on the first page with letter A and C on the top, A and C on the bottom. And on the back, I'm going to help you with number 3 and number 5. So to get started, today we are working with tens and ones again, except this time they're asking us to either add or take away a 10 or a 1. So we've got to pay attention to the directions and see what it's asking us to do. So for letter A at the top, it says 1 more than 68 is. So if we've got 68 right up here, they've already drawn it for us. I'm going to add a 1 because they just want 1 more. So here's my 1, and I can just count on. I know there was 68 here, so I can say 68, 69. Okay? Now sometimes they'll want us to do 10 more, like over on this side. Now I'm not going to help you with this one, but I just want to point out that instead of drawing 10 little squares, you could just draw a line for a 10 stick. You could just add a 10 like that. Down here is asking us to do 10 less. So we're going to take away a 10. Now I could take away 10 little boxes, right? I could go through and X out 10 little boxes. But I think an easier way to do this would be to just cross off a whole 10 stick just like that. So now I need to figure out how many I have. It says 10 less than 71. So I'm going to count them up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61. There we go. Now down here on the bottom, A and C on the bottom, we're doing the same thing except this time we don't have pictures. So if you want to, you could draw pictures, small pictures, like 59 I could go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Look, I could draw a picture. And then it's asking me for 10 more. So I could add a 10, just like that. I drew another line right here. And then I could figure that out. Or a different way you can do this is just look and see they're wanting you to add a 10. So instead of 5 tens, now we'll have 6 tens. And we didn't add any ones, so the ones are going to stay the same. Stay at 9. So now instead of 59, we have 69. Now let me check this answer with this picture that I just drew. So I drew 59 and then I added 1 here. So, or a 10 here. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 69. Perfect. We've got the right answer. So I'm going to write it up here too. Because 10 more than 59 is 69. Down here, we can do the same thing. We can start with a picture. Here's our starting number. It says 1 more than 59 is, and we're trying to solve that. So our starting number is 59. I can put it into our tens frame here. And I think I'll draw a picture for this one. So I've got 5 tens, that's 5 lines. And 9 ones, that's 9 dots or squares. There we go. Now it's asking for 1 more. So if I add a 1 this time, it's just going to be another little dot. Okay. Now let's count it up. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens still. Because we didn't add a 10, we just added a 1. Let's count up how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to use my eraser because you remember what I always tell you? Always start with the ones, okay? So we've got 10. Now, I don't write it like this, okay? Remember, 1 digit in each box. So this is not 10. That's a 0. We're going to carry this 1 over to this side here. So I'm going to leave the 0, bring the 1 over here, but I still have the 5 too. So 5 plus this 1 is 6. Okay, now let's count them up just to double check our answer. So 60, let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I got the right answer. So sometimes having a picture is a really good way to check your work. If you're not quite sure, try drawing a picture because sometimes that'll help you. Flipping over to the back. The back should be pretty easy for you guys. You guys know how to do this. It's asking you to write a number that is 1 more. So if I'm starting at 10, if I keep counting, 10, what comes next? 11. 70, if I keep counting, 71. 76, if I'm counting, 76, 77. 79, if I'm counting, 79, 80. And 99, what comes after 99? 100. Okay, so simple, right? On this side, I'm not going to help you with it, but they're asking you to write a number that is 10 more, okay? So either count by tens, you guys know how to do that, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Do you remember that? So you can do that to solve your problem. Or you can draw a picture, or you could do it. It'd be the longer way, but you can do, you can take the number 78 and count on 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. So you could count on 10, whichever way works best for you. Okay, down here, number 5, it says write the number that is 1 less. Remember, I told you pay attention to the directions because they'll switch them up on you. More, less, 10, 1, you never know. So you want to read the directions. It says 1 less. So I'm going to be counting backwards this time. So if I'm counting backwards, I've got 12. I'm going to take away 1. What would I have? Maybe I should get let's get these guys out here. So, and you guys should still have these at home. I sent you some that you could have cut out. So I've got 12, 10, 11, 12. If I take away 1, boop, now I have 11. Let's check. 10, 11. Okay. Now 52. Here we go. Let's get some tens sticks out here. So 52. That means I need 5 of these. There's 5. And 2 of those. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. Okay, perfect. Now remember, it's asking you to do 1 less. So I'm going to take away 1. Whoop. Now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51. Okay, move these to the side. Whoops. Right. 51. Okay, let's try these next 3 together. So 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1 it says. Okay, now again, I'm taking away 1. 1 less. Whoop. Now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Ooh, here's a good one. Okay, 80. Let's start with 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now I brought in this guy because this is going to help us, okay? Now, 1 less. Can I break apart these? Nope, I can't. So what can I do? Let's see. Well, I could cover up 1. So now, instead of a 10 stick, I have these 10 sticks. And how many? 9. Okay, so let's count them up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 79. 79. There we go. Now let's try 100. That last one right here. 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I'm going to keep my special stick here because I think it'll help us. Okay, so one less. Again, can I break this part? Nope, I can't take off one, but I can cover it. Boop, it's gone. Now let's count how many we have. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 99. And there we go. Now over on this side, it's asking you to do 10 less. So for example, I'm just going to do one with you. If you start with 20, 10, 20, and you take away 10, now I only have 10, right? Okay, so do those ones on your own. Now real quick on the bottom, I'm not going to help you with it, but I want to read the directions to you. It says, fill in the missing numbers in each sequence, okay? So see where the lines are in each one? That's what you've got to fill in. Sometimes it's counting by ones, like this one. 40, 41, 42, 40, you guys know, right? But sometimes they're counting by tens, like this one. 40, 50, 60, you guys know, right? Now, some of them, let's see, let me find one here. Some of them are going backwards. Okay, so like this one. We're going, what are we starting with? 99, 98, 97. So they're getting smaller. So you'll have to maybe work backwards to find that answer, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and work on your own.